The proven benefits of prolonged fasting, 7 critical things you need to know. Prolonged fasting, also known as extended fasting or intermittent fasting, has gained popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits. While the research on prolonged fasting is still emerging and individual experiences may vary, here are 7 critical things you need to know about the potential benefits of prolonged fasting. 1. Weight loss. Prolonged fasting can be an effective tool for weight loss. When you fast for an extended period, your body depletes its glycogen stores and begins using stored fat as an energy source. This can lead to weight loss over time. 2. Insulin sensitivity. Prolonged fasting may improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and preventing conditions like type 2 diabetes. Fasting can help regulate insulin levels and reduce insulin resistance. 3. Autophagy. Autophagy is a natural cellular process in which damaged cells are broken down and recycled. Prolonged fasting has been shown to stimulate autophagy, which may have beneficial effects on cell renewal, immune function, and overall health. 4. Inflammation reduction. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Studies suggest that prolonged fasting can help reduce inflammation markers in the body, potentially mitigating the risk of these diseases. 5. Improved heart health. Prolonged fasting may have positive effects on heart health by reducing cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and triglycerides. These improvements can contribute to a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. 6. Brain function and neuroprotection. Some studies suggest that prolonged fasting could have beneficial effects on brain health. It may enhance cognitive function, protect against neurodegenerative diseases, and stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein involved in promoting brain cell growth. 7. Longevity. While more research is needed, some animal studies have shown that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan. Fasting activates various cellular pathways and stress responses that may promote longevity and healthy aging. It's important to note that prolonged fasting may not be suitable for everyone. If you have underlying health conditions, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or take medications, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before fasting.